Hello kids, how are you? Happy New Year guys! Welcome to back your YouTube channel Kids Club with another video. I hope you like draw and paint. Let's start drawing with me and keep watching the video till the end. Today we are going to color kids' school bag. Let's enjoy. Wow, nice color. Very good. I hope you enjoy this video. Very beautiful bag. Do you like painting?
Oh yeah!
Nice purple color.
Wow.
Please guys subscribe my channel and like my video. If you like my video, please share it and like it and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me guys.
Wow!
Till then, bye bye, take care. Once again, Happy New Year everyone.